All right, back with some video recaps for the first time in, geez, a long time. But since I will be speaking, tentatively speaking at Tim Sykes' Penny Stocking Conference in Las Vegas in November, go to timothysykes.com, give him a bunch of money, it's a good deal. And I also am supposed to be writing a penny stocking, part-time penny stocking ebook, and I'm supposed to have a blog based on finance. I thought get back in the groove of running these videos, and also figure maybe it's a little practice for speaking at Tim's conference and so on. And I really need the real-time practice in front of the green screen because it's very tricky. All right, I got it right. I just got to remember to do everything the fucking opposite. So what I'd like to do is recap. Ideally, I'll do one of these videos every day and base it on trades or recapping the pre-market watch list. So let's get rolling. I shorted WWWW4Ws, web.com, crappy web company. I don't even know what they do. I think web hosting is what they do. But huge, do the opposite. Huge run up on earnings from, what is that, $3 to $4.50 almost. I shorted it this morning, stupidly, dumb. It shouldn't have been even a trade because you could see it never cracked 440. I shorted it at 450 when this first candle, I mean, if you would have saw it real time, it really looked like it was gonna drop. I jumped in and it bounced predictably off 440. Look at that line. I mean, any idiot that has read technical analysis for dummies would tell you don't short it until it cracks 440 or 4.4. I didn't. I did it early. Great fucking idea. So of course it bounces. I don't know why I held, because I'm an idiot. I mean, look at this. 480 it touches. Now the good thing is it came sideways all day. Looks like, I don't even want to, calling it fading isn't even right because it didn't really fade, but at least it closed, I think, 4 cents off my entry. So I'm not looking that bad. You know, I went in a little smaller after getting my teeth kicked in by ARNA the other day, which is the next stock we're going to recap. But ratcheted back my position size, just get a little feel. And plus I knew it was a dumb trade, so screw it. It is what it is. I'm actually also going to get a wireless keyboard so I don't have to do this, but just one second. That took a little, oh, come on camera, took a little longer than planned, but I got squeezed on ARNA the other day right here, covered, I don't know, somewhere in 750s, I think. And really didn't want to do it. These fat loss companies, man, I really wanted to hold this short long term, but you know, I got squeezed out, and I probably made the right call getting out where I did, because you see what it does, and who knows how high it could have went. But I'm really, really confident that this stock ends up back at a couple dollars at some point. And I actually tried shorting yesterday, 730s, right at the close, but IB said they had 500,000 shares. It wouldn't let me, nothing would execute. It said no shares to locate. But I also know that sometimes the web page thing isn't always updated. But would have liked to have shorted yesterday at 730. Turned out nice today. Nice close at 705. After hours 701. I mean, it cracked 7. It could really fall. That yesterday and today was a good trade. Last week that was ugly. Now the good thing is I ended up, all of my ARNA trades, I'm still up. I'd have to look at the trade log. I mean, I think I'm still up $1,000 shorting ARNA this year, but I also got my balls crushed on that trade last week and ate up 2/3 of the profits. I had a huge profit a week or so ago, and that's gone. Nothing. So should have cut my losses sooner, way, way, way sooner. Do not, I mean, I held through a couple of these frickin' vertical candles. Why would you hold there? Lesson learned. I haven't done that in a long time, and I mean, I'm gonna continue to make mistakes, everybody does, but we'll, where was I going? I was hoping to short yesterday, and I think it would have been a good trade. No shares. I was going to run through the rest of the stocks on my watch list, but there isn't anything that particularly interesting because I was rushing this morning. I picked a lot of extremely illiquid stocks. Chart looks good, but I had a couple of these Chinese VoIP providers that they, 50,000 shares or something like that. I rushed through the list and didn't look closely at the volume. So feel free to offer some suggestions. I'll get the wireless keyboard. I'll figure out these lines. I'm not sure why it's doing that. And I will probably try and stay a little more on topic. That way I don't ramble as much and run these videos up to 10 minutes or whatever I'm at. So let me know what you think and we'll go from there. Thanks.